So in the previous video, I finally showed my 2014 Mustang 5.0. I'm going to drop that link to that video in the description. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. So I was talking about how I wanted to ditch the all motor setup and go boost. Well, it finally came in and now I'm going to show you. So what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you my new boost setup. It came in. I wasn't going to show it yet, but I figured why wait? So this isn't going on the car yet. I say that and someone's probably going to bring a 12-pack of beer over and we'll get it done tonight. But the plan is still to get the DSM running. So Fred was hanging out with me. He just decided to dip out. That's usually what he does. But anyways, we're going to go through this today and we're going to show you all about it. So this is my first unboxing video I've done. So we'll just get right to it. So let's just get the cat out of the bag right now. We went to Paxton centrifugal supercharger. This is a Novi 2200. So like I said before, it's nothing super crazy over the top, just a off-the-shelf setup and one of the easiest, simplest setups you can do on these cars that make power. So here we go, Paxton or Vortec. It's the same company from my understanding. I don't understand why it's two different names, but whatever. So we got your intake tube. We got your air filter, because this utilizes the stock air box. So now I have to find my stock air box. I think I have it still. And what is this? Oh, so the inner ricer in me said get the loud max flow race blow-off valve. So I got that because I guess I'm a little ricer, right? Damn, your knife is getting dull, man. You've been shanking people? Ah. Okay, come over here. So, here is the blower. I don't want to open it up, but I don't open it up all the way because I'm going to put this all back in the packaging. So it has a 3/8 pulley on it. It gave me the option to get another pulley, but I just stuck with the 3/8 for now because I don't know what I want to do yet. I just want to get the setup on there. So yeah, 3/8 pulley and the Paxton Novi 2200 SL. Oh, this is the instructions. I was going to say, I thought it was a thicker packet. Nice detailed instructions with pictures because we're stupid. Ooh. I'm just going to make a mess. I got permission to make a mess. Jeez, they really package this stuff very well. Okay, so this thing's got some weight. So here's the bracket for the blower and the belt. I guess one, yeah. So this is what the blower mounts to. That gets bolted to the front of the motor. Oh, I guess this is the coolant reservoir. Okay. And a new hose. Hey yo, radiator hose. Okay, the brackets to mount the coolant reservoir. I see that. So I got down there to the end and I was kind of wondering, like, where's the intercooler piping? Well, I guess I can't be lazy. I have to pull this stuff out. So it's in here. So, okay, so right now I have the Cobra Jet manifold on. I think I'm going to go with the Boss 302 manifold because it's just a lot of drama with the Cobra Jet. So I went ahead and ordered one of these spacers for the throttle body for the to adapt the Boss 302 manifold onto it. Yeah. So I just got the gray, just normal. I don't really care. They had black. I wasn't really too concerned about it. And I'm not sure which one this is for. I don't know if this is for the, maybe the throttle body? I don't know. Let's see what else. Okay, I think everything else is just, let's see. I did not get the T-bolt, I believe that's what they're called, clamps, because I have tons of them here from the DSM. So I just got the regular ones, and as I feel necessary, I can just grab T-bolt clamps here. So I just got the basic ones that came with it. Okay, so next, I'm assuming this is the intercooler. At least I hope it is. I don't even know where to cut. There it is. I can't cut. What the crap?
Probably all my Amazon.
Yeah, your knife is dull. You're falling off. And right into the intercooler. Jeez. I should have just grabbed a butter knife.
Maybe you're just not as skilled as me.
Yeah, well, you are Latina. So you're used to having knives and pots and pans and whatever y'all do. As she flips me off. Oh, this thing's heavy. We'll go ahead and cut the tape off here. Give the full effect. Okay, so I don't know which way. I guess it goes this way. Yeah. And the Vortec intercooler. And one thing I forgot, which actually came in last week, it was with the kit. It was just, they shipped this first. I have ID Injector Dynamics 1050X injectors. So I believe these are good for about 900, give or take, horsepower, something along those lines. So yeah, that'll be plenty for what I want to do. So shout out to Team Beefcake Racing. That's where I got this set up from. I really like their website, and they do these bundle packages. So this is the tuner kit, and you can go through there and select all your options of what you want. Also, the blower is the quiet gear set, just a normal gear set. I didn't get the loud straight cut gears. I just didn't want all that sound and attention. I just wanted it to be quieter. I know it's still going to be kind of loud, but I didn't want those straight cut gears. But also one thing I'm going to show that I've had for probably about a year is my 4 Innovations fuel system. I've had it for a long time. It was new but never installed, so I bought it from a buddy of mine. So I've got the lines, I believe it's 8AN PTFE lines, and it is a triple pump with 3 285s. And then, of course, it's got the fuel filter, the inline fuel filter. So I got all the AN fittings and everything for the rails and the lines. And let's see what else. Oh, the rails too. So there you go. 4 Innovations Fuel Systems. Shout out to them. So there we have it. Paxton 2200 SL with the tuner kit from Team Beefcake Racing. Shout out to them. I've got the 4 Innovations triple pump system. All this is going to go on here in the next few months. But like I said, I really want to finish the DSM first. That is priority to me. This can wait. So look for this in the upcoming videos here in the next few months. And I want to say Merry Christmas. I know not a lot of people say that, but Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.